DJ playback and studio monitoring are increasingly merged into compact, desktop-friendly speaker systems that still deliver credible sound for home studios, small gigs, and multimedia listening. The selection in this review spans budget to premium, featuring wired and wireless options, active monitors, and consumer.
List number 1. PreSonus Iris 3.5 Studio Monitors. The Iris 3.5 pair delivers compact, studio-grade monitoring in a 5.5-inch EAP enclosure with 50 watts total Class AB amplification, 25 watts per speaker, and a reputation for accurate, balanced playback. They offer both professional and consumer-friendly inputs, quarter-inch TRS balanced, RCA unbalanced, plus a front panel 1/8-inch aux for quick reference. The 1-inch silk dome tweeters and woven 3.5-inch woofers are designed to provide a wide listening sweet spot and clean high-end articulation, aided by high and low frequency tuners to tailor response per room. The front panel headphone output adds flexibility for late night or on-the-go references, and an Iris Sub 8 BT option can extend low end for a 2.1 setup if needed. In practice, the Iris 3.5s excel as near-field reference monitors for home studios or multimedia desks, delivering articulate mids with a surprisingly solid low end for their size. The tuning controls allow some room-specific correction, though the compact cabinet naturally limits extreme bass extension unless paired with a dedicated sub. Build quality feels sturdy for desktop use, and the multiple input options make it compatible with a wide range of interfaces, mixers, and consumer gear. List number 2. Ohio 60-watt computer speakers for music. Ohio's C6 Black pair targets desktop users seeking big sound from a compact footprint, delivering 60 watts total with a 3-inch core woofer and 0.75-inch carbon fiber silk dome tweeter. The MDF enclosure is designed to minimize box coloration, and the rear bass port helps shape low-end depth. Connectivity is broad: Bluetooth 5.3, RCA, AUX, and USB-powered operation, plus a front-floating volume control for quick adjustments. The system emphasizes practical, room-filling sound for games, movies, and music with a straightforward setup and included cables. In practice, the Ohio setup provides punchy, engaging sound with a surprisingly wide dispersion for a 2.0 bookshelf layout. The carbon fiber drivers contribute to clear highs in mid-range, while the 3-inch woofer handles bass extension in moderate rooms. The USB-powered design is convenient for laptops, though it may limit peak SPL compared to a traditional mains-powered system. The Bluetooth input adds wireless flexibility, but can introduce latency if used for critical listening. For gaming and casual listening, it's a strong value in a compact, modern package.
List number 3. Pioneer DJ DM50D 5-inch active monitor speaker. The DM50D is a compact 5-inch active monitor designed for DJ and studio monitoring in near-field setups. It features a 25 watts amplified class with a 5-inch woofer and a 3/4-inch dome tweeter aimed at delivering a clear, balanced voice for music playback and production workflow. The DM50D adds app-based control and is positioned as a reliable, color-neutral reference for home studios or DJ booths, with a clean, sturdy cabinet suitable for tabletop use. It's a practical step up from typical consumer computer speakers when you need more accurate stereo imaging and more controlled bass without overpowering the mix. In use, the DM50D offers predictable, flat-ish frequency response with decent imaging for its size. The 5-inch woofer provides a more tangible low end than smaller multimedia monitors, making it a good choice for small rooms and desk setups. However, at the $210 price point, it competes with near-field monitors that may better balance frequency range and room correction control. Workflow benefits include compact footprint, reliable build, and the ability to pair with other studio gear, including subwoofers, to extend the low end if needed.
List number 4. The Pyle PPHP 849KT is a feature-rich, budget-friendly PA kit designed for events, parties, and mobile DJ use. It bundles one active and one passive speaker along with stands, a wired microphone, and a full-featured rear panel with MP3/USB/SD/aux inputs and a digital display for on-the-fly playback. With 350 watts RMS total, 700 watts peak, and 8-inch woofer units, the system is built for crowd coverage and vocal clarity. It's a strong value proposition for those who need a complete, plug-and-play sound solution for small to mid-size venues. Practical use reveals the kit's strength. Ease of transport, quick setup, and versatile inputs enable flexible DJing and karaoke use. The separate active-passive arrangement can help with longer throws or simply as a cost-effective powered pair. The built-in EQ and dedicated mic input provide live sound control, while Bluetooth adds wireless streaming. The largest caveats are its bulk for a desktop or small room setup and limited studio-grade fidelity. It excels in party or event contexts where loud, dependable sound is the priority.
List number 5. Hercules DJ Monitor 32, 2x 15 watts RMS active. Hercules DJ Monitor 32 is a compact, budget-friendly dual mono monitoring solution with 15 watts RMS per channel. The design emphasizes a shifted tweeter for improved stereo imaging and a dual bass vent for smoother bass response. The 3-inch woofer and 1-inch tweeter pairing is tuned for near-field listening in home studios or DJ setups, with simple RCA connectivity and shelf mount suitability. It's an accessible option for beginners or small setups where space and budget are primary constraints. In real-world use, the DJ Monitor 32 delivers a surprisingly clear image for its price, with a more pronounced stereo field thanks to the tweeter alignment. The 60-watt total output makes it capable of moderate room levels, but it isn't designed for critical mastering or large rooms. The plastic or wood cabinet keeps weight down, which is beneficial for portability, but may feel less premium than higher-end monitors. Overall, they provide dependable, entry-level monitoring with straightforward setup.